The offerings we have here in Bathurst ERS is hydraulic repair, cylinders, pumps, components, gearboxes, pulleys, and also custom machining, fabrication, and heavy equipment reconditioning. We decided to use our expertise and our manpower that we have here to be able to expand our offerings into the cylinder exchange program off the large mining equipment. That's why we purchased this Micron Technologies 100,000 pound nut buster, which is the biggest one in the world right now and only the second one in Canada. This machine is special because it offers continuous monitoring, which means the oil is continually monitored while testing. So the customer has a digital report coming back that says the cleanliness of his oil. We can actually load test a cylinder in different variances versus just going to the bottom in the front of the cylinder, which means we can expand thoroughly. We have laser guided stem deviation, which means as the cylinder is extended during the test, there's a laser on the guide and we can see if there's any swerve in the shaft, which is so critical because even though a standard test bench will be able to test it, stem deviation will not be measured. And that's one of the greatest assets for the customers. They know if their stems and everything, their barrels are straight, they know if their cylinders are clean, and they know if the nuts, everything is torqued to OEM specifications. And also the honing machine that we have, which is a 6 meter, to be able to take those cylinders apart safely, repair them, hone them, reassemble, and test them to OEM specifications. Another piece of equipment is really critical for our CEP. It's our TOS T100 lathe. It's 315 inch from center to center. This gives us the capacity and the capabilities, I should say, to be able to machine these big long cylinder tubes or anything up to 6 meters, which is like in the big stuff of business. Right now what happens, many of the customers having issues with the CAT because it takes too long delivery and have to go to the US to get repaired. We're giving them the option of having the solution built, repaired in Canada, specifically in Atlantic Canada, for a faster turnaround. When they send us a cylinder, literally the same day, either at the company website or the closest Wajax branch up in the north or here in Bathurst, we can give them the same cylinder while their cylinder comes in for repairs. An example, we honed the Latourneau barrel the other day, which usually takes 6 or 8 hours. It took us 40 minutes and the barrel was completely honed. What keeps the clients coming back to Wajax here in Bathurst is the quality of work and what can be provided with these machines here. With those extra offerings that we can give them the proof and on-paper documentation that everything is done correctly speaks a lot. It's important that the customer gets the cylinder back to OEM specs. We can do it with Hitachi, obviously. We can do it with CAT, we can do it with Komatsu, we can do it with every one of them.